Hello everyone, it's me JB from UniqueTutorials. Today in this video I will show you how to get plotting dog bar for favorite apps in any Windows computer. So without any further more delay, let's begin. So first of all, what you need to do is you need to open any web browser and you need to search this application name as Choose Desktop. Once you search this application Choose Desktop, you can see its web page here. Choose between your favorite lightning first. So this is the official website, so you can get lots of websites here. So I'll recommend to use its official websites. Here you can see when you found this official website, just click here to visit the official website. So this is the official website of this application name as Trees. So if you're using a Macintosh, then you can download for Macintosh. If you're using a Windows, then you download it for Windows. Right now I'm using a Windows, so I'll be selecting this install on Windows. Just click on it. So here is the setup file. Just download this file. Wait for a few seconds until the download gets complete. So the file has been downloaded. So let me go to the folder where it is being downloaded. So let me close this window. So here you can see the application. Just double click it to run its installer. So wait for a few seconds. So finally the application is being installed. So here you will get some instructions. So here you can see tap left or right Alt key to show the choose dock. Click next. Manage app. You can add and remove apps at the dock. So you need to manually add, so you don't add any application directly. And here you can see hold left or right and then press the num keys to choose between your hot apps. That is your favorite application. You can find the switch settings at the tray menu. That means you can see here in the below. The icon has been placed in the tray menu, as you can see here. So you can see any dog bar right now. That is the plotting dog bar. So for this to show your plotting dog bar, you need to press Alt on your computer keyboard. Just press. So here you can see it's almost transparent. On the right side you can see. So once you click on the blank anywhere in the desktop, it will auto hide. So if you don't want to hide this plotting dog bar, so what you can do is just go to the tray icon. So here you can see a blue icon. Just right click on it and you can see here preference. So here in the default settings it's being set to auto hide. So if you untick this auto hide and click on save, then once you press a Alt key, then you can see here transparent auto hide. So let me add some application here. Just click on the plus symbol. I'll just go to the C drive where I have installed some applications. So you can see here. So let me add some more applications. So let me add one more. So you can add as much as you like. You can see here there is lots of plus button. So this time if you click on any blank space, so your plotting dog bar will automatically hide, but you can enable it again to show it just by pressing the Alt key. So you can see here, and you can directly launch any applications from here just by clicking on here. When you click on the applications, it will launch the respective applications. And you can change the locations also. If you don't want the position of this dog bar, then you can change it to the left side. So for this, just head over to the tray icon again. Just right click it. Select the preference. Now you can see here plus dog bar, right or left. You can place it on the left side also. If you want to place it on the left side, or if you want to place it on the right side, then you can place it on the right side. I'll keep it on the right side because on my left side I have desktop icons, so it will be much convenient for me keeping it in the right side. So in this way you can get a floating dock bar for your favorite apps in Windows computer. So you can try it out. So this is very useful if you want to just pin it in the floating bar which you use mostly, that is your favorite apps, then this application will be very useful for you. So if you never known about these cool applications, then download it today. And the good thing is that it's totally free of cost. So what are you waiting for? Download it today and try using it. So if you find this video tutorial useful, click on the thumbs like button, and if you're new to our channel, click on the subscribe button. And lastly, thanks for watching.